More eBay this time.
All right.
This is coming from High Side Cycle. I don't think this is a WPS. It says fragile.
Don't drop it.
Ah, looks like a camshaft.
Ooh.
At least a camshaft box. Feel like cams. V-twin. Andrews. PB Plus. I remember these cams.
Look at that.
So these are Andrews 70s. PB Plus, so one step above the stock P cam. But these have an issue with them.
Rust?
Well, we could call it rust, but I don't think it's actually rust.
Hmm.
I just don't know what cam it was. So these are actually used. Oh, good. Yeah, see that?
Oh, wow.
It's called severe amount of flaking of material.
Yeah, I remember that now.
That's case hardening problems there.
Hmm.
I don't think the light's on. No light. Yeah, I think that'd be bad on your lifter. Still no light. But, no. Yeah, got a light now. That'd be bad.
Yeah.
You know, there's your PB Plus. You know who it is. So I figured that this is gonna be a bad set because this is bad.
No.
Now,
Runnable.
the plus part is I have 3 other cams that are good.
Ooh.
Maybe. Gravity makes it come out easier.
Yes.
Just don't drop it on concrete. Alright, so these cams have a lot of miles on them. They run that cam a long time like that. That's just goes to show you can run a bike a long time with crap parts in there. So this one looks pretty good. Yeah, these definitely got over 1,000 miles on them. Probably got 2,000 or 3,000 on them at least. These all look good. Teeth are like new. So these are basic. You got a nice good cam set because they're $600 now. These stupid cams are ridiculous. So now all we gotta do is buy one cam and we have a full set that looks nice. So I got 2 options. I can find another cam on eBay. Go look at my junk pile and see if I have one, but maybe. Which is possible.
Possible.
Or I can go buy another cam from Andrews direct because I'm a dealer. I want a number 4 cam. And they can send me a brand new one of this and then I'll make a set. That's how you do it. Or you get somebody who doesn't care and they put this right back in and just run it.
There you go.
Little JB weld right there and call it done. Get that real metal.
That sounds good to me.
Yeah, it's already starting to flake though, so it's getting worse.
Jeez.
Yeah, I'm thinking that one's done. But oh well, there you go. I buy